Hey guys, my name is Matt and welcome back to my channel. I'm actually in my car today, so I'm actually at a golf course in the parking lot, so I'm going to play golf after this, but I wanted to do a quick little video today about learning how to shoot photos and learning how to shoot videos. I had someone ask me a little while ago. They said, you know, I have a camera, I have a digital camera or DSLR, but I don't know where to start. I don't know what resources to go to. I don't know who to talk to. So today I'm going to talk about some resources and methods to learn photography and videography. So let's go. Number one on the list, and one of my favorite resources, is online videos. I'm such a visual learner that I like to watch people, how they interact with cameras and how they use them and how they talk about them. So I need a visual to be able to apply to myself and my art, and for me to understand conceptually. There are a ton of great resources online, and I usually watch YouTube a lot because there is a ton of free content there. You really want to be careful though, because there's a lot of bad information out there. So I would suggest things like YouTube, Adorama TV. There are a ton of great instructors on there. Mark Wallace is really great. He really boils things down to the basics, and you'll always get great information from him. There's other resources like B&H Photo. They bring in heavyweights in the industry, like Peter Hurley will come in and do a seminar on headshots, or Susan Stripling will come in and do a seminar on weddings. And this is something that, you know, is there for you, and it's a resource and it's free, and these guys are heavyweights in the industry, so you need to soak up all that information you can, and these are great teachers. They really know what they're doing. So check that out, B&H Photo, Adorama TV. There are other photographers and videographers that I follow as well. Peter McKinnon is a great resource. Francisco Joel Hernandez is also a great resource as well. He does a lot of off-camera flash, and he kind of explains in his videos about how he builds a shot, from measuring the ambient light to what settings he used, to what flash power he used, to what modifiers and locations he used. These people are great resources too, and I'll list their links down below so you can follow them too. So number two on my list is photography meetups. When I initially moved to Toronto, I didn't know a lot of people, so I kind of searched around Facebook for Toronto photography clubs, photography groups. I joined a bunch of photography Facebook groups as well, and I also went to meetup.com. so I searched for photographers in Toronto or photography meetups. So I've been to a couple of these, and it's great to learn and share ideas and talk about equipment and settings and what different work you do, and you get a range of different people from beginner level up to expert level, so go check out that as well. Another great resource or method you might want to check out is courses. Sometimes there's also free courses, and libraries are a fantastic resource. So when I started in Toronto, you know, I was trying to learn how to edit video and things like that, so I actually went to the library and, you know, got a card and found out, hey, we do Photoshop courses, we do Lightroom courses, we do Premiere Pro video editing courses. So, and these are all free. These are great resources. So go out into your community, go into your library, and see really what's available, and you might find some great free courses as well. There are a number of different studios that also put off private courses as well. You can look for photographers that put off different courses, camera companies and shops that do free courses too, like Henry's here. I think a little while ago or last month, they had probably a week long or a week and a half long schedule of different free courses that you could go to and take advantage of. So go check out those as well. So those are the first three resources or methods that I would check out for learning photography and videography. This is by no means an exhaustive list, and I'm going to continue next week with a lot more methods as well. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Let me know what methods you use, what resources you use to learn photography and videography. Thank you so much for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.